What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Honda Accord. This is how you replace the remote battery.
First thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If we flip it over, there's a button right here that we're going to slide over to the right, and the emergency key will come out. Now I'm going to turn the remote and have the buttons facing down. And what we're going to do is we're going to split the remote open using a small flathead screwdriver, okay? Now I'm going to stick it in here like this, sideways. Just going to give it a little pry, and it's going to crack right open, okay? See how that happened? We just open it up like this, and here's our battery, and we can just take it right out and get a new battery. I'll show you what size we're working with. Here's the new battery. It's a CR2032. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for some of these batteries. It takes you to Amazon. You can pick them up for $1, so check it out. But it has a positive sign right here that is going to be facing outwards. Put it in here. Then we just get the remote, and then we start at the top, work our way down, smash it all back together. And we get our emergency key and then stick it in here, and if it goes in nice and smooth, we are done. Hope the video helped out, and if it did, I appreciate it if you like and subscribe.